Hello, good afternoon. My name is David Oisamoji. I'm here with another t-shirt design tutorial. I'm the founder of What a T-shirt Design, as you can see. So without wasting any bit of your time, let's get straight right to it. I'm opening my Photoshop right about now. As you can see, Photoshop CC, that's what I use to design all my t-shirt design. So please, I want you to stay with me throughout this t-shirt design. I'm going to take just 10 minutes of your time to design one of the best sellers. Remember, it's the love season. Valentine is coming along the line. Some weeks from now it will be Valentine, so I'm going to make a love themed t-shirt, the creative love themed t-shirt. So please stick around with me while I work on this. This video is about how to create t-shirt designs that sells. How to create t-shirt designs that sell. So without wasting any of your time, let's get straight to it. So click on new. This is the standard I like to use for. It's a standard actually. I like to use it personally. So let's get straight right to it. Press OK. You can see you get the white background. You can see it has this lock on it. So I'll just double tap on that. Press OK. Why I unlocked it is to make sure I don't have a background when I'm transferring my shirt. So I'll press on this eye and see I don't have the background again. When I press on this, the background comes back. So we'll be offing that at the end of the design. So let's get straight right to the design. So to do that, I'm gonna start the design right away without wasting much of your time. So let me just select the color I want to use for this. Select the color. Okay, that's it. Do love. So we have the love. As you can see, it's quite small. So to increase it, I'll press down my Alt key button, Shift key button, and my left mouse key button. But before that will just duplicate it, which I don't want. So I'm going to delete that. So the first step now is to highlight this. So to do that, I'll do Ctrl T. Then I'll over my mouse to this edge and I'll do my Alt key button, Shift key button, left mouse click, and I'll expand. I'll drag my mouse outward. If I drag it inward, it reduces. If I drag it outward, it increases. So I think I'm okay with this. So I'll just press enter. So the next step is I want to duplicate this 4 times. So to do that, I'll just press on my Alt key button and I'll shift on my left mouse button, shift my mouse down, Alt key button, shift my mouse down, Alt key button, my left mouse button, gives me the double arrow, I'll shift my mouse down. It's as simple as that. So now we have, as you can see, we have the 4 already. So the next step is for us to make the effects. So to do that, I'm gonna click on the first love. As you can see, this is the first one up, this is the second one, the third, and the last. So now all I have to do is just first of all create a little space between them. So now that I've highlighted the first one, I'll just press my up arrow on my keyboard, take this up a bit, come to the second one, I'll do same thing, the third one I'll just down a bit, and the last one down a bit. So now that I have that all set up, let's come back to this first one. This is where I want to create the effects now. So you see I clicked on this T, then I'll just come here and highlight this O. So highlighted. Now I'll just change the color. As you can see, I've done that. So if I click on this second copy, as you can see, but I don't want it on that, so I'll come back, make this make it red again. So this is this first one I want to make my effect on. So come here, come to this. Now I'll do it for the O here. it for the O, come here, I'll do it for the V, do it for the V, let me get a better color, do it for the V, and here I'll do it for the E. So let me try to get a cool color. Let's see how that looks. Okay, let's see, let me see if I can change this. I don't like that completely. See how that looks. Okay, I think this is not bad. So now that we got this already, the next step we want to do is to click here, then turn off this background. Remember we talked about turning off the background. We're gonna turn off this background. Now we're gonna save this because this is what we transfer into our shirt. Gonna save this. To do that, come to File, Save As, come to Picture, Love. I already have one of my love designs already, so I'll just do Love 2. Save it. Save that. I'll come out to File, Save As again, and now I'll save it as PNG. I'm going to save it as PNG. I like to save it as compression. I like to none fast. Interlace. Just press OK. You see saving. That's the first step. The second step is to come and get your mockup. I must tell you now, like I've always said in all my videos, designs with mockup sell far more better, 50% more. So I have a favorite mockup, like you would have seen on my channel. This is my favorite mockup. I always use this. So I'll just double tap on this where it says your design goes here. Just double tap, press OK, delete this, then I'll bring in my love design. So while we wait for it, as you can see, it has appeared here. So it's quite big. If I leave it like this, it will be too big on the shirts mockup, so I'll reduce it. Remember the way I told you to do that is Control, press down your Alt key button, your Shift key button, and your left mouse, and you drag inwards to reduce. When you're done, remove your hand from your left mouse button, your Shift and your Alt key button, press Enter. Once you're done, you save. That was the error message we got to save it. So save, press Save. Just follow me from start to finish. You understand it easily. You go back, and you can see it has appeared on our shirt and it's looking good. So the next step is for us to save it. So I'll just save it as Love 2 Full. Remember we saved the first design, the design without the shirt, as just Love 2. So we're going to save this as Love 2 Full. So picture, Love 2 Full. Leave it as PNG. Save, press OK. You can see it's saved and our design is ready. It didn't take us so long of a time, just took us about 9 minutes 15 seconds to get this done, and it's looking creative, fine. Everybody will want to get this. It will sell during the Valentine's season. This will definitely sell. So I just want to say thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be releasing more videos daily. Please subscribe so that you don't miss out on daily upload. Thanks for watching this. My name remains David Osamoje, the founder of What a T-Shirt Design. Stay blessed. Love you. Bye.